Good morning, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this lovely 2019 69 plate Audi Q5 Black Edition. This one is the TFSI 45 Quattro, so the petrol variant, automatic. This one's two owners, full Audi service history, finished in metallic black. Really nice condition. And being the Black Edition, it's got sort of all the right features on it. You've obviously got LED headlights there at the front and rear sensors. These lovely 20-inch diamond turned gloss black alloy wheels. All the tyres on this are as good as brand new. And again, it is full Audi history. You've got the side steps fitted on the side, panoramic roof, the all-important pan roof, and those satin black roof rails. In the interior, you've got black leather with the black Alcantara in the centres, some S embossing on the seats there, and then contrast stitching. Very important, the Bang & Olufsen sound system. I've got some ambient lighting in here as well. But condition wise, it's lovely. It's been well cared for, this one. Back seats there, again the leather and Alcantara. You have got 3-zone climate control. You just see the control in the centre there. Obviously Isofix, things like that for the kids. Privacy glass on the rear. These are an excellent sort of medium-sized family car, these. Electrically operated power boot, loads and loads of space in there. Obviously the parcel shelf all in there. You have got a space saver spare tyre in there as well. The centre there is part of the Bang & Olufsen sound system. That's the subwoofer in there. Really good option though, these, if you wanted something medium-sized, a small family. You have got some illuminated kick plates with the S branding on there. And again, got electric heated folding door mirrors, loads of gloss black detailing and aluminium detailing throughout. So just jumping on into the interior, you've got that lovely virtual cockpit. It's one of my favourite features in Audis. I absolutely love all of that. It just looks great. And again, you've got various bits that you can change through on there. Now, infotainment, a bit that everybody wants these days is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which this has. All of that. Audi Connect, there's various features in there that you can go through. Satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, all the usual bits. Then your car, your various drive mode selects on there as well. And again, with your ambient lighting, there's multiple choices of what sort of colour you might like. If you just go into there, there you go, there's all your different colours. You can choose whatever you want. And again, heated seats on there as well, and you have got the electric lumbar support. Sorry, I was losing words then. And on here, buttons for your drive mode select, stop, start, off, and then your parking sensors and camera, which are all on there. You have also got hill descent control. A lot of people don't know what that button is. If you're going down a slippery hill, that will control the car a little bit better than you might. You have got a wireless charger in there. You've got this adjustable armrest where you can get to wherever you're comfortable. Flat bottom, multifunction steering wheel. To some Audi people, this is an absolute must-have feature. Quite nice. And then cruise control, speed limiter, automatic lights, wipers, etc. Sort of the usual sort of bits and bats. And again, you have got that opening tilt and slide pan roof on there as well. Just a nice car, this. Oh, mileage, I don't know whether I mentioned actually, it's done just over 27, I think it's 27,200 miles. But just a nice car that. If you are interested in the full details of this, we'll put a link to the advert in the description below. But thank you ever so much for watching. If you do want to keep up to date with all the cars that we get through here at Kingsbridge, please do give us a follow. We upload regularly every day of all the new stock as it lands. But no, thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you on the next one.